In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Steam password. So you can do this on a web browser, or you can just do this in the Steam app that you should have downloaded onto your computer. That way it's really easy for you to get to your games and your library and all that stuff. So once you're here, what you can do is go to the top right corner here where it says your name, and go ahead and drop down and go ahead and click on account details. So once that loads, you want to scroll down until you see your account security here, and go ahead and hit change my password. So what this is going to do is going to give you two options. I highly recommend that you just choose the option that it sends you a verification code to the email that's associated with your Steam account. So I'm just going to click that, and then the code came in. So you just wait until you get it in your email. And then once you have your code, you go ahead and type it in. So I'm just going to type this in and hit continue. And then from that point, you would go ahead and change your password, re-enter it, and then Steam will sign you out and have you log in with your new password. And that's how you would go about changing your password on Steam. Hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next one.